Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about our online course. We have different courses in online: blouse, salwar, kidswear, Ari Zardosi and sari tassels. We have two languages option, Tamil and English. Now I'll explain about Ari Zardosi. So in Ari Zardosi, you'll be learning from basic to advanced level, complete course, okay? So in complete course, what we teach is, first you will be learning 75 types of stitches. So in 75 types of stitches, you'll be learning from basic to advanced level of stitches, only stitches, okay? After completing the 75 stitches, we will be giving you motif to work out, so which will cover 20 types of motif. So motif in the sense it's not complete neck design, you'll be learning small designs like elephant, lotus, peacock and lady figure, how to fill using stitches like that. So after completing this 15 stitches, you will be learning complete neck design. First design will be completely thread work, how to complete the blouse with complete thread work. Second will be cutwork and patchwork concept, and third will be bridal design. So this complete course fees is 5,500. The procedure of the course is, first you have to pay 2,500. After paying 2,500, we'll send the kit to your place. So the kit what we provide is RE stand, 18-inch RE stand, RE needles, 2 RE and Zardosi needle, and 14 number, 23 number crochet needle we provide. Because why we provide crochet needle and RE needle is, so some people will feel very difficult to handle the iron needle, RE needle, so we give you the option of crochet needle also. So whatever needle you are comfortable, you can practice with that. So we provide 4 needles and silk thread and all types of beads we provide. And also we sell tracing designs, 173 tracing designs, which is cost around 3,000, and we provide this as free for our Ari Zardosi students. So blouse course is having 20 types of blouse. Each blouse will have approximately 2 hours of video. So each blouse will be covering pattern making, how to make the pattern for the blouse, how to lay and cut, finally stitching. So we will be taking the body measurement and we'll teach you how to make the exact pattern for the blouse. So 20 types of blouse, start from the basic to advanced level of blouses and designer blouses. By learning this course, you can able to design any type of blouse which comes in your mind. You can able to create any design which you want to experiment. And so salwar course, we have 26 types of tops and pant, so which will cover from basic to advanced level. So by learning this course, you can able to design any type of tops and pant by end of the course. So the course content will be completely through videos. So videos in the sense you will be getting HD clarity videos for 26 topics what we provide. So each dress will have approximately 2 hours of video which will cover detailed pattern making, laying, cutting and stitching. So all the dresses will show how to stitch, okay? The kids course is completely for girls. So in this course you will be learning different types of frocks, tops, pants and jumpsuits. So the course is completely through videos. So this course starts from the basic to advanced level. By end of the course, you can able to design any type of garments like party wears, birthday dresses, and also we cover tutu dress, flower making, bow making and everything. If you're planning to start a boutique exclusively for kids, this course will help you. And this course is completely through videos, HD recorded videos. I'll tell you the procedure how you will be following. The fees for this course is 5,500. First you will be paying 2,000. After paying 2,000, we'll send the material to your place. After receiving the material, you have to pay the remaining fee and start the course. This is first option. And the second option is, so you can pay the complete fee and start the course immediately. Meanwhile, we'll dispatch your material. And the third option is without material, without complimentary kit, the fees is 5,000. You can pay the 5,000 fee and start your course. And the videos what we provide is completely downloadable and lifetime access. This is doubt clarification. So once you started the course, there will be a class sequence, class 1, class 2, class 3 like that. So you have to follow the class sequence. So first, initially you'll be taking your body measurement and sending me. I'll check your body measurement. So if your body measurement is correct, I'll tell you to proceed with class 1, class 2 like that. So after completing class 1, you have to send me the picture. If the class 1 is correct, according to your body measurement, if the pattern is correct, I'll tell you to proceed with class 2. If there is any minor mistake, small mistake, I'll clarify your doubts in WhatsApp voice note. So if you're not able to do the complete pattern for your measurement, because when we are providing the video, we will be doing with different measurement and you have to work out with different measurement. In such cases, we make a video of your measurement, how to make a pattern like that, and we'll post it. If you're having doubts when you're stitching, we will come in a WhatsApp video call and we'll clarify it. This course is designed in such a way even a beginners can learn. So you should know how to handle your machine. So that's enough for you. So remaining everything, how to do the straight stitch, curvier stitch, pointy stitch, from there the course starts. Okay, so we'll give you the stitching training for 2 days. After that, so we will give you training to finish the necklines, piping, all the basic thing which is required to do the salwar set. Okay, after finishing that, we will also teach you how to do the placket stitch and zips and everything, normal zip and conceal zip. So these are the basic content. After completing this, we'll go to the salwar course. So after that only we'll enter the course. When we enter the course also, we start from the basics of salwar. So from the basic to advanced level, there will be 26 types, so which covers tops and pants, and also we teach you how to take the body measurement and make a pattern. The second technique is how to take the measurement from the stitched salwar, and the third technique is how to lay the stitched salwar and mark exactly on the new salwar. So almost we try to cover all the different techniques so you can experiment all the types, and also we have explained how to take your self body measurement. So that will help you how to take your own body measurement, because when we take the body measurement from others it is easy, but when we take our own body measurement we feel some difficulty. So to solve that we have made a video for that also. So wait. And finally, payment option. We have a payment option in bank transfer, Google Pay, Paytm or Phone Pay. So if you are interested, swipe up and register. Thank you.